Hello guys, if you have a Kensington trackball, this is the SlimBlade model, and you run into a problem where you, when you move the trackball, it only goes up and down on your screen. What I had to do, I had to completely disassemble it, and the problem that I found very obvious. I tried to clean it using different wipes and so on and so forth. Nothing worked. I had to basically disassemble it. What you want to do on the bottom of the unit, just lift up over here just a little bit. There's a screw right here. Lift up over here on this side. Okay, just a little bit. There's a screw right here. And also you want to lift right here at the top. Let me back up a little so you guys can see. Lift right here. You see there's a screw right here. Lift over here on the corner. There's a screw right here. Okay, and there's also another one down here. Just lift up just a little bit and take out these 3 screws. And when you come down here to the bottom, the screws are located right in the middle. Hang on, sorry about the shaky camera. I'm only doing it with one hand, so it makes it kind of tough. Anyway, you want to come down here to the bottom one, and the screws on the bottom one is located right in the middle, okay? Don't peel all the way. Just come down here to do the same here. Peel halfway, and the screw's located here. So you got one in the middle, one in the middle. You got one here, one there, and one here. Don't take these rubber feet off completely. Just lift up a little bit. And as far as the top ones here, just lift that side, and the screws down here. Lift up this side, and the screws down here. But the most important thing about this is here's the main board. You just have to take 3 screws off. You got one here, one there, and I believe one here. Anyway, you'll see 3 screws. That's not important. One thing you want to do over here, you see these ribbon cables here. You want to loosen them up. What you want to do is just you see these little clips over here. They're actually over on this side. Okay. All you want to do is just kind of basically push up here, push it real light, guys, and push just a little bit up here, and that releases these ribbon cables here. And at the bottom, here's your sensors. Okay, here's what they look like, and I found a lot of dirt in there, and that's what my problem is. Okay, so what you want to do, I took a little bit of I took what do you call it, a pair of tweezers, and got all that dirt out. And I took some of these alcohol swipes and wiped it down. One thing you want to do when you go to clean this, guys, don't press too hard, because you might break, oh shit, you might break the contact on that microprocessor underneath there. So when you go to clean it here, just go real gentle with this, okay? So here's what we got. That's the one board. Hang on, let me show you guys how to take that. When you get to the very bottom of this, these boards, you're gonna have 2 boards sitting like this, okay? You got one sensor is gonna be over here, and you got one sensor is gonna be over here. All you got is one screw. Lift that board up. When you look on the bottom, you see how you got an opening here. There's a hole right there. See that? And the other one I haven't taken out yet. But what happened is the dirt collects inside there, and that's why it stops responding. That's why it was just going up and down instead of, you know, all over. So just take these sensors out and clean them. I hope this video helped you guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'm constantly uploading different videos and showing you guys how to basically do small repairs. Here's the other side of the board. Here's that sensor right there. I'm trying to get a real good, there we go. But you guys see all that dirt in there? I want to get that cleaned up. Let me see here. All right, that's about it. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you watching. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I also have, what do you call it? I have part numbers for these little buttons here. Let me back up a little bit. Okay, you see this button here? You got 1, 2, 3 buttons here. 4 buttons actually. Those are your click buttons. After a while they wear out. If you guys want to replace them yourself, I'm gonna include the part number in the video in case you need to order those. But in my case, I just had to clean these photo sensors, one over here, one over there. You guys could see over here just 2 screws, one here, one there. Remember, when you clean the sensor, when you go cleaning the sensor over here, don't push too hard on that because you're gonna break the contact on the bottom, so go real light. Thanks a lot. Have a great day, and again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. That really helps the YouTube algorithm. Have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.